Hey everyone, today we're going to show you our fudgy 3-ingredient Nutella Brownies recipe. It is very easy to make. All you need are Nutella, eggs, and flour, so let's get started. Also, if you want to learn how to make other Nutella desserts, click over here or go to the description or go to the pinned comment and you'll see how to make some very cool Nutella desserts. Okay, to get started, we need 1 3/4 cups of Nutella. This is a lot of Nutella, but it's so necessary to make it very fudgy. So, this and then also 2 eggs. Let's add it to our bowl. Alright, now we're going to sift in a 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. Alright, we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, so we got our pan lined with parchment paper here, and we're going to add our batter into it. Alright, let's put this in the oven for 25 minutes. Alright, now we're going to cut our delicious brownies. This looks so good. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. These brownies are so amazing, we hope you give them a try. If you enjoyed this video, then consider liking down below. That's it for now, so we'll catch you next week. Bye.